Hi everyone, my name is JC. Today I am going to be doing a science experiment which is called the floating egg. The things we need are 2 glasses of water, 2 eggs and salt. So let's begin. So now I'm going to take an egg and I'm going to put it in the water. Let's see what happens. The egg has settled at the bottom of the glass. So now I'm going to take some salt and put it in the second glass. 3 spoons of salt. 2 and 3. Now I'm going to mix it. Now we will wait till it settles. So let's wait.
Few moments later.
So here we can see that the salt has completely dissolved in the water. The water was white when we added the salt, but now that the salt is dissolved, it's almost clear like this water. So now I'm going to add the egg inside the salt water. We can see that the egg floats. Here, the water density is less and the egg's density is more. Here, the water's density is now more because we added salt to it. And now that the water's density is more, the egg's density is less and it starts to float. I hope you liked this video. And you can also do this fun experiment at your home using available items present. You can even do this experiment at your science exhibition. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below which experiment I should do next. Thank you, bye.